The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
To everyone here today who fights for our flag across the globe, thank you for bravely facing down the danger to protect. And we have such danger out there, the lives and liberty of all Americans. Our country is stronger now maybe than it's ever been, and you folks are a big reason for it. We're setting records. The stock market is right now almost at an all-time high. I have about 18 records.
18 records. You know, I was thinking, I was listening to him talk last night, and I saw him, and he was really trying to do the best he could with this crazy man. I'm thinking, you know, he's over there dealing with one of the most dangerous lunatics in the world. As a matter of fact, it was Obama. It's the first thing he told Trump when they went to the Oval Office together. He said the biggest problem in the world that you're going to have is that nut in North Korea. He is so dangerous. He would not think twice about sending a missile to Seattle, a small nuclear weapon. He's crazy. So I'm thinking here, he's the first president really trying to get somewhere. All the other presidents, they always just paid him off. They sent him all kinds of soybeans, all kinds of weeds, sent him a couple $100 billion, and then 8 years, the next president comes in. The next president does the same thing. He doesn't want to deal with it. Send him another couple $100 billion, send him wheat, send him soybeans. But this president gets it. He has grandkids. He understands it. And I'm thinking about my grandkids last night. I don't care if you hate Trump, if you despise him, get with it. Think what he's doing. No other president has done this. You should put your hate aside and back this guy. But what did the Democrats do yesterday? What was on the Democrats' mind? These liberals, these nuts. Here are the questions that they thought were more important than trying to put a deal together with the leader of North Korea. Listen to their questions yesterday. This is what they thought priority.
Do you have any knowledge of President Trump being delinquent on any alimony or child care payments?
There's an elevator tape that went up for auction. Is there a love child?
Was that in the Oval Office?
Do you have any knowledge of President Trump abusing any controlled substances?
What do you want?
That is pathetic. And I mean, what are they thinking about? Now, the Republicans are no better than the Democrats. I get that. There's really only one party, okay? You know, why don't they just stop fooling each other and just be one party? But it really made me sick to my stomach. I'm hearing questions like that. Even if the answer was yes to those questions. Now? You can't even support our president in a meeting so important? Our economy depends on it. Our safety depends on it. This is unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Crazy. That's the big questions of the day. Okay, welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. Okay, good. Hey, I'm excited. We started out on Monday. I'm going to do my free webinar from 12 to 1 o'clock. And again, this is coming Saturday. And I started out on Monday with 85. We said we'll register 85 people. It's free. And then at the end of the webinar, we're going to identify for you what we do and the programs that we have, especially the Working Investor Program, which is our most popular program, where we have 5 stocks that we've been in for 2 years. And the reason we can stay in those stocks for 2 years, and we can get you in any time with us, and you're going to make much more than you ever would in a 401k, is because we also not only buy these stocks, but when the stocks turn around and they start going down, like the 20% correction, my members will be taken care of, or they mitigate any loss by shorting those stocks. You can do all 5, do one of them, do 2, but we recommend it in the first month just to follow 1. And we give you every day all the information you need, all the instructions you need. We post it at 2 o'clock. So we're going to show you how we do this and how our returns have been so good. And the reason our returns are so good is because we do not follow fundamentals. We don't care about fundamentals of a company. And here's the other thing. Even though this is the biggest phony stock market rally in history, we're not going to stay out of it. We know that this market should be just collapsing. If you take a look at the economic news, look what happened today. The wheels are still coming off. The farm loan sector has the highest default rate in the last 9 years. Now, that's on the heels of the auto loans. Historic amount of people can't pay their auto loans. They're 90 days behind. That's on the heels of the credit card delinquencies. That's on the heel of housing collapsing, our retail sales collapsing, manufacture collapsing, durable goods sales falling off a cliff. All this is going on, but yet, while we're getting all that bad negative news, the market continued to go up 14% since December 27th, like in the last 8 weeks. So see, you're always going to be in the position when you're a gang member, you're always going to be in a position that you don't care. You don't need to care anymore. You don't need to worry anymore, whether the market's down or whether the market's up. You go to bed at night knowing it doesn't matter. And nobody can put you in that position. A 401k can't put you in that position because a 401k, you are not allowed to make money when the market is going down. In fact, when the market started to crash this afternoon, say we went down 800,000 points in the next 10 minutes, you're not allowed under the rules and regulations of your 401k to get your money out. You got to keep it in. You got to wait till the end of the next day. But worse, you can't turn around and short it. So that's why you're always calling your broker saying, what should we do? What should we do? And I always say, they don't care. Do you think your money manager cares? They don't care about you. Because if they did, they wouldn't be fighting a fiduciary relationship. They have been fighting, this industry has been fighting for years, the prospect of a fiduciary relationship with you, signing a contract with you, that we would put you first. Oh, no, they don't do that. But yet people, I don't get it, but people still sign up.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it. Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
But people will still give money to a 401k, still give money to a planner, still give money to a manager, knowing there's no fiduciary, they owe you nothing. It's insane. So today, here we are, the wheels are coming off again, the economy. But what do we get from these financial TV shows? Everything's okay. No worries. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Are you interested in the stock market and investing in stocks, but don't know where to start? philsgang.com is a stock investing and trading educational platform that provides complete and accurate technical information that produces profits for their customers, and we want to help you become a profitable investor. If you are new to stock investing and would like to know more, philsgang.com is hosting a new member free introduction webinar this Saturday, March 2nd from 12 noon to 1 p.m. This webinar will cover who we are, our investing programs, and how the Phil's Gang stock charts produce profits. So, if you're interested in investing in stocks and getting professional guidance, this free webinar is for you. Don't wait. Register today for the Phil's Gang new member free introduction webinar. Just go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264. Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it. Are you interested in the stock market and investing in stocks, but don't know where to start? philsgang.com is a stock investing and trading educational platform that provides complete and accurate technical information that produces profits for their customers, and we want to help you become a profitable investor. If you are new to stock investing and would like to know more, philsgang.com is hosting a new member free introduction webinar this Saturday, March 2nd from 12 noon to 1 p.m. This webinar will cover who we are, our investing programs, and how the Phil's Gang stock charts produce profits. So, if you're interested in investing in stocks and getting professional guidance, this free webinar is for you. Don't wait. Register today for the Phil's Gang new member free introduction webinar. Just go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, when the market dropped 20%, it turned around, went back up 14%, and I said to my members, they didn't have to worry. We were long our stocks, even though we knew that when it got back up to a certain point, around 2,800 on the S&P, it was going to fail because it failed there 4 other times, and our color-coded chart was red, turned red, which meant institution money's coming out. That's what we're going to show you on Saturday. The color-coded charts, also a color-coded talking chart, it even tells you when to buy and sell. But when it turns red, it is so efficient. Like, we'll show you with Kraft. So efficient that 2 days before Kraft collapsed, it turned red. It gave us a 2-day warning to get out, and even better, to short it. 2-day warning. Your planner's not going to do that. Your broker's not going to do that. The people who manage your 401k will certainly not do it because they're too busy screwing you on fees. You know, we're talking about that too today. That, you know what's interesting? Remember yesterday I said most people do not have a clue that the 401k, you're paying fees. Most people just don't have a clue. They don't think there's any fees. They did a survey. More than 70% of those who have 401ks believe they pay no fees. And the 401k is the worst fee-driven product, a terrible product, a product that you can't, that you don't even know the cost of when you buy it. They have 22 hidden fees. Horrible product, terrible. But you know how many people are in 401ks? And your return, if you're lucky, is 3 to 4% because you never get out. They never let you out. They never tell you to get out before a crash. What did I say on January 16th? My gang, we already protected all our money. And I said on January 16th, I said this year, I said we're going to get a crash. And I said the worst month of that crash, or the capitulation of the crash, will be in December. Now, I said that on January 16th, 2018. And guess which was the worst month? December. And it started to collapse in October. Of course it was going to collapse. But at least during that period of time, I didn't have to worry. My members didn't have to worry. We still took advantage of the days the market were strong. And remember, we're staying in these same 5 stocks for 2 years, more than 2 years now. Wouldn't you like to wake up every morning knowing you got 5 stocks, you haven't got to worry about a thing, you haven't got to do nothing. Just that at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we give you the instruction what to do with each one of those stocks. If you want to be in all 5, that's fine. But you're in those same 5 stocks. That's one program. We have other programs we're going to introduce you to. And by the way, we now have, I got the wrong number. We now have 35 left. We started on Monday. Is that right? 35? Anyways, I think that's right. Anyways, we started out, that's the correct number, with 85 on Monday because we said we'll just do 85. 28, thank you. We got 28 left, so let's fill this up. It's free. It's free. I'm giving it to you for free, for God's sakes. And then when you come and you like what we're showing you, the different programs, especially the Working Investor Program, that we use our color-coded talking chart that tells you when to buy, when to sell, all based on, not fundamentals, all based on money flow. Doesn't that make sense? And why it's so nice is because the fundamentals mean nothing. Why do you need to know price to book, price to sales, profit margins, operating margins, return on assets, return on equity? You haven't got to know any of that, and you think you do. And because you don't have time to do that, you go and put your money with some planner, some money manager. And he doesn't give a damn about you. You really think he cares about you? You think when the market's going down, when he has no fiduciary relation agreement with you, there's no agreement that you sign. Think about it. Have you ever signed a fiduciary relationship with the people managing your money? How about in your 401k? No. They take care of themselves first. But we don't have to worry. All we do is, look, follow the money. And you give me just 1 hour. That's going to be this Saturday, 12 Eastern to 1 p.m. And if you decide to sign up, it's $39.95 and you get your chart free. You get your color-coded chart, which is $30 value. You get that free for 1 month. So it's a great opportunity where I can introduce you to our membership. And at the same time, this is our drive, not only to sign up Phil's Gang members, but to also for the kids at St. Jude. We've been supporting St. Jude for 20 years, and our members are really generous. And when they start making money, they do donate quite a bit of money to St. Jude. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's not mandatory. It's up to you. But that's how this company's been running for 20 years. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG. What was it? 28 left. So please sign up or go online and sign up. If you want to call 877-600-GANG, because we will we'll sell this out. Okay, so let's get back to what's going on here. So we know that the economy is not working. They came in with the GDP today. And the GDP was nowhere near the 4 to 5%. Remember how it started out?
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
Then he was wrong. Then he backed it down. He went on TV with Varney, and he says, "Oh, well, it's going to be 3%." He said it'll be 3%.
You are looking at economic growth, GDP, 3% growth. You sticking to that?
I'm sticking to that. No reason to shift.
Well, guess what? It's not 3%. It's less than 3%. But here's what's amazing, and I got off track here for a minute, that most people don't understand. All this GDP is phony. It's phony. And I'm not going to waste my time going over the numbers with you, but do you remember the second quarter they had 4.2%? What did we find out they did? They turned around and they grabbed the soybeans out in the future, clawed them back to the second quarter, so it would be at 4.2%. They play those. Is that amazing? I mean, so this is what you don't have to worry about. Let me worry about that for you. All right, we'll be right back. Call 877-600-GANG. There's 28 spots left.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
Are you interested in the stock market and investing in stocks, but don't know where to start? philsgang.com is a stock investing and trading educational platform that provides complete and accurate technical information that produces profits for their customers, and we want to help you become a profitable investor. If you are new to stock investing and would like to know more, philsgang.com is hosting a new member free introduction webinar this Saturday, March 2nd from 12 noon to 1 p.m. This webinar will cover who we are, our investing programs, and how the Phil's Gang stock charts produce profits. So, if you're interested in investing in stocks and getting professional guidance, this free webinar is for you. Don't wait. Register today for the Phil's Gang new member free introduction webinar. Just go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts.
And you'll be introduced to the Max 1000 charts, the MV1 and MV2 color-coded charts, free. It's going to be Saturday, a 1 hour from online from noon to 1 p.m. And you can register today. You can call 877-600-GANG or go online. We kept it to 85. We have about 26 people now, I think, left. That's it, 26 slots. And love to invite you so that I will... And I just want you to judge me by my performance. I'm going to show you the products that we offer, especially the color-coded chart that tells you when to buy, when to sell by color code, red or green. And here, give you an example. Listen to this guy here. And by the way, if you go to my site right now, philsgang.com, and click on live, you'll see what I'm showing you. This is crazy. Look what this guy does.
Let's do final trades. XPO Logistics, I think.
So he's talking about XPO Logistics. Now listen how he talks about the fundamentals. All right? Now watch.
Let's do final trades.
XPO Logistics. I think it's bottomed here. It got a big future.
Okay.
Big future. He Big future. So he wants you to buy it. Big future, big future. Oh, and by the way, this guy over here at the same time, he's saying, don't worry about a thing.
Whatever we were worried about, we're not worried about anymore. Powell met with Trump. Everything's fine now.
Everything's fine now. Don't worry about that either. But who told you this market was going to collapse? And it did. So don't worry about a thing. And don't worry, this guy tells you buy XPO because he knows all the fundamentals. Really? Well, let's take a look at it. XPO. The stock gave me a sell signal. A sell signal. It turned red on Friday the 4th. Right there, Friday the 4th of February. And she has dropped from $60.49. She's down to about $50 today. So if you listen to him, and people do, and they're going to jump in because they think he knows something because it's on CNBC or Fox or one of these other financial shows, you would be losing 17%. Now, the difference is, if you were a member, my members would be doing this. When it turned, if they would have made a little bit of a profit, it wasn't that good of a stock. So let's say they made about a 5% return. They would have grabbed that 5% when it went from green to red, and then not only get out and hold on the 5%, but they would have turned around and easily short it. We show you how to do it. We do it for you. It's easy. You just follow the instructions. So you would have made money going down about, what, 10%? At least 10% return. Nobody does that for you. So Saturday, I'm going to show you how easy it is, what we do for our members, how we got Hess 24% return, Micron Technology 18% return. But I'm not going to keep going down to all the returns we got because I can't guarantee you I'm going to get those returns for you again. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm going to have for supper. But I can tell you this, it works. I've been on the air for 20 years. I've seen so many people come and go. They all got this thing. They all got that thing. They all doing this. They come blow into town. They get some hotel room. They tell you to come in and watch them. You're going to be great traders. It's all nonsense. It's all nonsense. It's all nonsense. The market is no longer our father's market or grandfather. The thing has all been taken over by a bunch of criminals who are getting very, very wealthy. And think about this. Yesterday, I talked about how 70% of the people in 401ks have no clue. They really believe there's no fees. But something else people don't realize. It used to be our government collected taxes from the wealthy, from the large corporations. And with those tax collections, that's how the government paid its debt. Congress spends like hell. It has all kinds of debt. It has the national debt right now, $22 trillion. We have to pay $400 billion in interest alone annually. We have budget deficits. They're spending $100 billion a month more than we take in. We got to fund that. We got to fund Medicaid. We got to fund Medicare, on and on and on. It used to be the very wealthy, large corporations would be taxed, and that's where the funds came from to pay that. But that was changed, and most people don't get this. That was changed. Take like the profitable corporations today. They don't pay taxes. Take GE. GE last year made $11 billion in profits. $11 billion in profits. They paid no taxes, but they got a tax refund of $104 million on $11 billion in profits. They paid zero in taxes. Amazon paid no taxes on $12 billion in profits. They got a refund of $129 million on $12 billion in profits that they paid no taxes on. I can go on and on and on with all these corporations, but I don't have time. So, who pays the taxes? That all this debt that's being accumulated by these idiots that we sent to Washington who, in their mind, the most important thing in their mind was this yesterday. Not North Korea, but this.
Do you have any knowledge of President Trump being delinquent on any alimony or child care payments?
There's an elevator tape that went up for auction. Is there a love child?
Was that in the Oval Office?
Do you have any knowledge of President Trump abusing any controlled substances?
What do you want your children to know?
Can he be blackmailed
Do you have any knowledge of President?
Unbelievable. You want to throw up. So here, let's focus on why is it these same people that want to know if he has a love child allowed the large corporations to write their own tax law, and they passed it where they don't have to pay any taxes. And who's paying the taxes? The middle class worker. And it's why the middle class worker is disappearing. The middle class pays higher taxes than the millionaires and these corporations. Our tax code has unfairly favored the wealthiest corporations. And what do? We turn around and we give another 1.5 trillion tax cut. What are you, nuts? So how did this all happen? How's this happen? How did this come about? It's like a fantasy. It sounds like, no, this couldn't happen. The more wealth that these guys make, the 1 percentile, the very, very rich, they pay, remember, the 1 percentile, they make $400,000 a year, their net worth is $4 million. Then we have the 1/100th percentile who make 20, their net worth is $111 million and they make $27 million a year. They own Congress. So they could go into Congress and say, this is what we're going to do for a tax law. They bring their own lawyers in and their lobbyists to write the law, and these guys just pass it. They just pass it. That's how it happened. So right now we have corporate debt at $9 trillion. You want to know why this country can't grow? Do you know why we didn't get to 4 to 5%? Do you want to know why that? Oh, and by the way, they're telling you it came in at 3%. That's a lie. There you go, Kudlow again. That's a lie. Go look at the government GDP number. It's not 3%. It's 2.9%. 2.9%. So think about this. Trump and Obama are both at the same exact place. Not Trump nor Obama, so far, Obama's gone, they have not been able to break through 3%. You can't grow the economy. You can't grow it when you have debt like this. Like, you can't grow your household when you have debt and you're scratching by and you're trying. Can you? No. So to take your money and invest it in a mutual fund or some person, some manager, are you kidding? I'll be right back with more. Join my gang for Saturday.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Are you tired of being lied to about some magical economic recovery that only benefits the 1 percentile? And then when the market does collapse, you're sitting there calling your broker, what do I do? When you should be shorting? Learn how to short the market. Continue to listen to my radio show, philsgang.com. Become a member, only $39.95 a month, and learn how to short.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you start making money, please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
You know, I'm going to explain on Saturday. It used to be that stocks, I'm going back in the 50s, the 60s, we would look for stocks that were undervalued, where a corporation, the CEO, the management team would really mess it up, and the stock would dive. And we go and we search those out, and we'd find these companies that have that lost this value, right? That they're really discounted big time. And then we knew that they'd go and replace the management. And you stay with that stock for years as they replaced management, rebuilt the company, and you bought it at a huge discount. And about 10 years later, 12 years later, you're making a lot. You made a lot of money in that stock, but you could stay with it. Those days are gone. Right now, you have, understand, we have the Elon Musk, the Sergey Brins, the Warren Buffetts, the Steve Cohens, the Carl Icahns, the Perlmans, the on and on and on. These are the very wealthy. These are the 1/100th of 1% who net worth is $11 million. They make $27 million a year, and then you got the 1 percentile whose net worth are $4 million and who make $400,000. They control everything, and they also own and control the Federal Reserve and make decisions on interest rates. So now we're being told the economy is fantastic, it's doing great. No, it isn't. It isn't. But it's not important if it is or isn't. The way I and my members trade and invest long term, we don't care if the economy is good or the economy is bad. We don't make decisions on that. We don't make decisions on a company's profit margins or operating margins or their return on their assets or return on equity, which is how you judge their CEOs. We don't care. When we found Hess, and it went up 24%, because you're going to see on Saturday, our chart pointed out that the institution buyers were coming in and buying it. And the key was to get out when they get out. They're the smartest players. They control everything. They're the smartest players. So we're just following them with a chart, with the algorithms that we put together, and it works. So you come for Saturday, join me, and this gives you an opportunity to help St. Jude as well, because if you decide to join the gang and you start making money and you start giving to St. Jude, that's a wonderful thing. I've been doing it for 20 years. My son had cancer. That's how I got started with all this. So, look, judge me on my performance and stop worrying about what the economy's doing. Stop worrying about what the market's going to do. You don't need to know any of that. Not with what I do. Just simply take the best brand stocks, and the 5 stocks that we've been in for more than 2 years, that's a wonderful program. That's a wonderful program. All you do is you can take 1 if you want, or 2, do all 5 if you want, but no more than the 5. And just follow the instructions that my team, every day, we get it together, 2 o'clock, we release the instructions, tell you exactly what to do. Buy it, add to your position, take some profits, or sell it, or run like hell. And the best one, to now turn around and short it. You haven't got to study anything. You haven't got to do nothing. Now, if you want to be an activist investor and be involved with trading every day, we have an opportunity there as well. So this is what we're going to introduce you to. It's going to be free. So please, you have to sign up, register. I think we have now, I'm not going to, we got 20 spots, and we start out with 85. And again, we're trying to get these 85 people so that hopefully we can get some of you signed up as members, get you making money, and then you start helping St. Jude. I've been doing this over 20 years. By the way, I turned 73 yesterday. My wife, I want to wish her a happy birthday. It's her birthday today. My birthday was yesterday.
Wow!
Look, I don't have all the answers, but I can tell you this. It's not working anymore. Washington doesn't work anymore. It's only for the very, very wealthy. The stock market doesn't work anymore. The days of 401ks are over. They're criminals. They're criminals. The fees they take from you are ridiculous. Just a 1% fee. They got 22 hidden fees. Just 1% will wipe you out. Take half of the money. You're ready to retire. You've been working for 25, 30 years. You think you got all this money, and then all of a sudden, wait, where's my money? Oh, I'm sorry, the fees. This doesn't happen. Look, not with what we do, but I'm not telling you I'm not saying get out of your 401k. Why don't you just adapt what we do? And all you're really going to do is subsidize your 401k, or subsidize if you give your money to a planner and he manages for you, some money man. You just subsidize it. And then compare me and what I've done to what they're doing. Try it for 1 month. And you're going to get the chart that we depend on totally, our color-coded chart, free. Okay, I want to show you how dumb this guy is, this Cohen, as a lawyer. And I'll tell you the story behind it that nobody knows, but I know. Listen to this.
Mr. Cohen,
by the way, he's a liar.
Mr. Cohen, how long did you work in the White House?
I never worked in the White House.
And that's the point, isn't it, Mr. Cohen?
No, sir.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not, sir.
You wanted to work in the White House.
No, sir.
You didn't get brought to the dance.
Okay. I know for a fact that he wanted to work in the White House. I know for a fact, okay? And he didn't, and he was really upset, and he was upset at a certain person who didn't want him working that White House. I can't give her a name. But listen to this now. He contradicts himself.
We're trying to figure out who's going to go.
I haven't been asked.
You haven't been asked?
Oh.
Is there a chance?
That he'll ask me to go to Washington?
Oh, there's absolutely a chance he's going to ask you to go.
I certainly hope
Would you
so.
go?
100%.
All right.
We're trying to figure.
So here he is, Cohen, 2016, being interviewed by Como on MSNBC, on CNN, right? And so he's telling Jordan he had no interest in a job. He had no interest in a job at the White House. He was just happy enough just to be the president of the United States personal counsel. And then you hear this cut where I just played a minute ago where he's hoping. And not only, he was lobbying and lobbying, but here's what happened. Trump hired him because Trump was in a jam with one of his condo associations. And he was an owner of the condo, Cohen. And Cohen brought in to the meeting calmness, and he got Trump out of a big jam. He got all his neighbors and all the other condo owners to settle this thing out. And boom, he says, why don't you come work for me? That's how Trump is. I know Trump. That's how he is. Later on, they found out this guy is a bully and a dummy. He's not very smart. That's why he didn't want him at the White House. And this is where he's been so vindictive, unbelievable. But you know what I just told you I don't care about? Because it doesn't help when you're ready to retire. You know, all this, we can listen to all this, and sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's not. But when you go to bed at night and you put your head on the pillow, the things that go through your mind is not this stuff. It's, how am I going to send my kid to college? How am I going to retire? How am I going to have enough money? What about my 401k? I'm getting screwed every day as they skim $250 billion in fees off it every day. Yeah, that's right, $250 billion a day they skim off of it. There's not going to be one person, you're never going to find one person, especially in a 401k, who's going to take care of you. You always hope, if I could just find that one person that could just take care, I could give him my money. That will never happen in this industry until they will sign a fiduciary relationship with you. But they refuse to sign fiduciary relationships. This will never happen unless this industry changes, where when you give somebody your money, you should allow them to, I would give them 60% of the profits they made. But if they don't make anything, they don't get nothing. The only time they make money is when I make money. That's how it should be set up. And I say to them, look, you can have 60% of the profits, but you get nothing. This is totally based on performance. Your 401k, there is no performance. The minute you put your money in, they get a big commission off of that money. That's why they want you to stay in. That's why when the market's going down, they tell you to keep cost averaging down. They do everything to hold your hand to keep you in, when you should be shorting the darn thing. But I'm going to show you all that on Saturday. Anyway, we got, 25? I'm not sure what the number is now. 877-600-GANG. Call right now and register so you'll have a slot on Saturday.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me.